you can join our movement by calling us. We'll mail you our Restore Freedom brochures or Fast Track Your Success brochures. Both of them in 12 pages show you, anybody who reads, that no law requires 99% of Americans to file and pay federal income or payroll taxes. Okay? Get it from us. Go in front of your local supermarket and pass it on to them. Go about businesses in the area, okay? Small shops, mom and pops, okay? And give it to them, okay? Spread the good news. And when they join our Restore Freedom Plan, we will put cash in your pocket, lady. Tell people, hey, you can be free. No more Irish slavery. Don't pay income tax. Legally safety. Guaranteed. Restore freedom.